Introducing the Ivation Portable Mini Shower. It's so compact it fits in your backpack. We've included adapters so you can set it up anywhere. It's great for outdoor adventures. All you need is a bucket of water or a lake. Just hook it on a tree. Drop the pump into a bucket and power on. A constant stream of water that will gently shower you clean, while an active built-in water filtration system filters the water. This lightweight portable shower can be used virtually anywhere. It's also fantastic for washing your car. Its soothing flow is also great for our furry friends too, even the finicky ones. They love the gentle stream of our Ivation portable shower. This portable shower has a battery life that allows up to 1 hour of continuous use. To charge, simply plug into any USB socket. It's as simple as that. Ivation, for life.
Hi, I'm Zach from iSmartAlarm. For the last 3 years, we've been the leader in smart home security, and we know you have concerns when it comes to smart home technology. It's complicated, inflexible, and confusing. And in the end, it all just costs too much. We've created a camera that solves all of these problems. Meet Spot. Spot is more than just your average security camera. It's the future of smart home automation.
Spot is packed with all the features you'd expect in a smart home camera. Night vision, HD resolution, motion and sound detection, push notification alerts, cloud and local video storage, and we've even brought new innovative features to the market to truly separate Spot from the competition.
When we designed Spot, we wanted to be more than a security camera. In addition to preventing burglaries, we want Spot to work with your existing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Spot recognizes these alarms using our pattern panning algorithm and notifies you immediately of the dangers. From there, you can use Spot to see what's going on and take action if needed.
For years, we've focused on the ease and control of DIY monitoring. Spot continues this trend from the moment it's taken out of the package.
Received Wi-Fi information. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Spot's flexibility and ease of installation makes it a snap to place Spots anywhere and everywhere in your home.
We cap events in a cool way with Spot's time-lapse feature.
You can even keep your pets in line with Spot's two-way audio capabilities. Hey, get off the couch!
Spot works by itself, with multiple spots, and with the entire iSmartAlarm family of products. We've made the best smart home camera out there.
Spot has all the features that you'd expect from a smart home camera, and more.
Spot is a huge advancement over other smart home cameras, and the cost is unmatched.
Spot's just a lot of fun, and it makes sure you, your family, and your home are safe and sound.
Take a look at our website to learn more about Spot.
last week I was hanging out with Peter and the guys at Moment. Moment's a company that makes super high quality lens, probably the best lenses actually for phones. And they had a new lens that we got to test out, which is actually an anamorphic lens. And I gotta say, this is the first anamorphic lens that I've seen for phones. I haven't seen any other ones. And I gotta say, this is the best lens that I've ever tried for phones.
All right, so why are we so excited about today, and what is the Filmmaker collection? Essentially, we have a few different products if you haven't scrolled down the page yet to check them out. We have an iPhone 10 battery case, a universal gimbal counterweight, and a filter mount. And last, but certainly not least, an anamorphic lens.
What? This is on a phone?
But if you're still not convinced or want to see what an anamorphic lens really looks like, how it works, how all this collection really comes together, stick around on this video and we're going to show you all of that.
If you want to deliver great content, you need a great workflow. The problem is that it's always a race against the clock. You plan, and you prepare, you shoot, and shoot, then you wait. And finally, you wait. What if you could regain lost time and start the finishing process the moment you get the last shot? With the new GNARBOX, let your work flow. GNARBOX 2.0 SSD is a rugged backup device for content creators who prefer to travel without a laptop. Unlike other portable hard drives, we have assembled an ecosystem of mobile applications that serve the professional workflow from the field to the studio. New to the GNARBOX experience is an onboard display and 4-button system, giving you the industry's fastest file transfers with custom folder trees and a checksum confirmation, without the need for a computer, phone, or tablet. For more control over your backups, use the new SafeKeep app to view connected drives, organize and rename folders, manage your auto backup settings, and even sync to Dropbox. In the Selects app, photographers have an optimized environment for fast file viewing and culling of thousands of raw photos. A simple set of tools let you rate and organize using EXIF metadata, preparing you for the edit at home in Lightroom. Using the Sequence app, you can now quickly play back high-res video, set edit in and out points, create bins, and even render files into ProRes. Any edit you start in the Sequence app can be exported as an XML project into Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, bridging your workflow from the field to the studio. To make social content and stories easier when you're on the go, we've partnered with industry leaders LumaFusion and Adobe Lightroom CC to bring top-tier mobile editing experiences to our platform. The new GNARBOX system is supported by an Intel quad-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB NVMe SSD, an SD card slot, 2 USB-C ports, and a replaceable battery. You'll be able to review 10 hours of 4K video, back up 36,000 photos, or move a terabyte of files on a single charge. Connect the micro HDMI to any monitor or TV and use the Showcase app to play back photos and videos in full resolution.
At GNARBOX, we believe in making the creative process easier for anyone with a camera. GNARBOX 2.0 will save you time and make you a more reliable creator.
With enough support from the community, we aim to begin manufacturing in September and deliver to backers in December of 2018.
Along the way, we've worked with professional photographers and videographers whose feedback helped us reimagine the potential of mobile workflow.
This campaign is our biggest step toward that goal, and we need your help to make it happen.
We've already designed GNARBOX 2.0 SSD, validated our thermal systems, and are ready to meet an IP67 standard.
Please join us in creating the next evolution in mobile workflow.